How to log in another account on Facebook. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Facebook app on your phone. Then tap on menu that is on the bottom right corner. Scroll down to the very bottom and then tap on Logout. Tap on Save Info, then tap on Logout. Here tap on Log in another account, then you want to go ahead and proceed login. After you log out from that again, you'll have this screen. So that is how to log into another account on Facebook. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.